Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So I've been out of my mind with excitement for new iPhone 11 series, and I have all three versions before me today. The camera 6.1-inch display in purple is the standard iPhone 11, and this one is 5.8 iPhone 11 Pro in gold, and the bigger 6.5 midnight green one is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. With me are some cases and screen protectors from one of my favorite brands, Ringke. Starting off, we have the classic Ringke Fusion case. You can show off your choice of color with this clear case, which makes it simple, yet perfect case for iPhone 11 lineup. Looking at the structural build of this case, it does have very minimalist look, but check out these dips in each corner. This means if you drop the case on the corner, it won't send the shock directly to one of the most fragile parts of the phone. Instead, it will equally distribute the shock throughout the phone to lessen the damage. There's also a raised lip around the screen, so it'll protect the phone screen when you place it face down. And here's what the protection for the infamous camera looks like. The raised bezels will definitely keep the protruding camera from getting accidentally scratched. The volume and power buttons are all covered by the case, and they are instantly responsive. The mute switch is left open and is very easy to reach. The Fusion case is great in its simplicity, and you can pretty much add anything you want to this hard back, like pop socket or phone ring. Just a word of warning, fingerprints show pretty easily on this thing. Next up, I have the Fusion X. You'll notice that it's similar concept with the Fusion case, with this clear back to show off the phone. But it comes with extra design to help balance out the iPhone's blocky camera. With the Fusion X design, you can definitely see and feel the reinforced corner protection, and the TPU size feel very nice and grippy in my hand. I also have this camo black with midnight green. This reminds me of military green look. Plus, the design of the camo black helps with the grip. Another cool thing to note is that Fusion X textured the power button. I love this little attention to detail. The case structure is solid with raised screen lip and raised camera bumpers. All the cutouts are exactly where they need to be, and check out this wrist strap hole. This is a little thing that's featured on all Ringke cases, so you can add a cute charm or lanyard for extra drop protection. Here's the third case from Ringke. Nope, this is not the Fusion, this is the Air case. You can see the difference in how flexible and bendy this case is. Another difference from the Fusion is the micro dot pattern that's on the back of this case to keep it from sticking on the phone. The Air case is also noticeably lightweight and very slim fitting. Honestly, I don't think this case is as protective as the Fusion or Fusion X due to how slim it is, but it does still provide the necessary screen and camera protection. The cover buttons are easy to press, and each cutout is absolute perfection. I think this is the best case to get for that NoCase look. Now, this one is Air S case. The cases comes in this popping colors for people who didn't like the Apple's original color choices. These cases share the same name as the Air, but it feels a bit different. It's still very slim and lightweight with that flexible TPU body, but the coating makes the outside very soft. The coating also makes fingerprints less noticeable, which is a huge plus. The camera and screen protection checks out, and the buttons are good as well. This is a case you want for that traditional Apple iPhone look. Lastly, we have the ever-popular Ringke Onyx case. The Onyx case is made from TPU, but it's a bit sturdier than Air case, and it feels more protective around the edges of the phone. The Onyx case comes with this brushed metal design on the back, the dash pattern on the top and bottom, and these stripes at the side. The stripes do help with gripping the phone and brings attention to these shiny gold button covers. Check out that black and gold contrast. The buttons still works well, and you'll see that this case protects your phone screen and camera very well. Let's move on from the cases and go on to the screen protector. I really like this Dual Easy Film from Ringke. It's super affordable and protects my phone screen without adding the bulk and weight that glass screen protectors do. By the way, if you want to know how to install this screen protector, check out the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks again to Ringke for sending me all these cases for me to try. My favorite is definitely the Fusion X. See you guys next time. Bye!